So let's start with our today's session, which is completely on a basis of market breakdown. Okay, so EURJPY is very clear. First of all, very clear price action structure. I'm looking for EURJPY, and guys, you can see currently the price action structure in EURJPY is very clear. Currently the price is moving into the downward channel structure. Okay, you can see this is what the complete downward channel structure is. And whenever we are getting these kinds of downward channel structures, we have always tendency to trade in the downward channel structure. But before I will come to that downward channel structure, let me be very honest that how I was looking for this structure previously. Okay, so if you look at this is the downward channel structure. This is a very clear on a daily time frame that the price is at the top of the downward channel structure and moved down, but it happened after looking to the certain things and situation to the market. But before, what I was looking for in that, let me just explain you before that that how I was looking for EURJPY previously. Okay, so you can see the price moved down means impulsively from that level. But before impulsive, we have that kind of impulsive move. So we have learned that whenever the price make impulse move and it form correction, the continuation is a high probable that it will reach up to high level. Please, that if you look at this was an impulsive move it was made. Okay, so the continuation I was expected up to that level. This was a continuation I was expected, that the price will reach up to that level. And it was not just because of this. The price action structure, if you look at this, if you understand that high value area always gravitate towards it. So this is what the high value area was expected for. Just because why this is a double top structure, I was expected that it will make a double top structure and then it will move down. But what the price action structure follows is it follow the high value area. And that is why I always say that whenever we are trading in a market, we have to understand that we have to identify the high value areas first before reaching to the any other levels. But in a high value area, I was not expected this is what I was expected in high value area too. But this is what, when these kinds of move happened, then I change my structure, and then I completely change the structure, that it is from the expanding structure I converted this into the downward channel. So this is what the structure I was looking for previously in EURJPY. This was the structure I was looking for, means without let me just back to the time. Okay, candle. If you look at this, yeah, this is a candle. Let me just back to the candle. When the price was moving in these level, you can see the price action structure was very clear at that time. I was not expected that it will move down from that level, because I have something different forecasting. I was forecasted this like this, but it turned completely different price action structure. But you cannot say this is a wrong. Okay, you cannot say this is wrong, because we have seen lots of time that this is structure also working. So price moved up impulsively. You can see this was a very clear impulsive move. Okay, this was a very clear impulsive move. Price form correction. Okay, after that, what we expect continuation to the upside. And the continuation, the probability of the continuation is like that impulsive. Okay, so I was expected that the price will reach up to that level, which is what the high value area, which is what the POI for us. POI is a point of interest which we always look for as a price action trader, from where the price will reverse. Okay, so this was a level. The second reason I was expected that this is a POI, just because this. Okay, this is also double top pattern, so the probability of this POI is increased, and that is why I was expected that this level will reach into the market. But what happened, if you look at this, the price action structure turned completely different. And it is not like that I'm right every time. Sometimes what happened, because I have some understanding of the market conditions now, that how the market is behaving at that time. What I was expected that the price moved up impulsively. Okay, this was the impulsive move, the price was moved up. And because of that impulsive move, what happened, I was expected that this level will reach up to that level. Why? Because whatever the impulsive move happened after the correction, the probability of the continuation is same. Okay, so that is what the reason I was expected that the EURJPY will move up to that high value area, up to the double top structure, then it will move down. But if you look at this, how it turns. Okay, so this is what the very important thing over here. Okay, whatever the price action structures we are trading, we have to always look for the current pattern. Okay, so what is this converting currently? Okay, this is not like this is wrong. Okay, but what happened, if you look at this, the price action structure now has converted. Okay, converted in this, from the impulsive, from the broadening pattern, what happened, the price action structure converted into the downward channel. Okay, this is the downward channel we are expecting. Okay, and on the basis of this, as we always have to focus on our current price action structures, we have to trade like this now. Okay, we are not expecting that again the price will reach up. It will, it can, okay, it can, there's a possibility it can, if the price will follow, if the other pairs will follow the same structure. But looking to this pattern, this is very clear for the short. This is very clear for the short. Why? Just because the price moved down impulsively, and this is very clear impulsive candle. Okay, so what I'm expecting any kind of correction. Okay, correction can be retest as well, because we had that kind of impulse move. There's a higher possibility that it can retest up to that level. Why? Because this is very important level. Okay, so there's a possibility it can reach up to that level. We have seen this is previously too, because this was a previous level. You can see this is a previous level. What happened after moving to that level? Price moved up and again it moved down. So it is very important that we have to analyze the factor. We have to analyze that structure, that how it was behaved previously and how it can behave currently. Okay, price action structures always repeat itself, not by candle, but by the structure. So whenever we are trading price action, we have to understand that we have to trade the structures. We have to master the edge. Okay, an edge is what? Is find out the area from where the supply coming into the market, find out the area from where demand coming into the market. Okay, and it's all about the probabilities and the theories behind that structure. So currently this is what I'm expecting that the price will reach up to that level, or because it form any kind of this kind of impulse move, there's a probability that it will form any kind of correction. Okay, so what we can look for, we can look for any kind of correction. Okay, either it can be like this, or what we look for any kind of continuation which will continue the price, then it will form any kind of short-term flag, then we will get a confirmation after breaking that level. So this is what the commitment plan of commitment in EURJPY I have, and it's completely very clear now, very clear on the basis of price action structure. And if suppose because of correlation or because of any news come into the market, okay, if this price action convert again into this, we do not have to hesitate this. Okay, we do not have to hesitate for that, because this is also very clear price action pattern. We do not have to hesitate any single time. If the price will continue, will move up, what will happen? Suppose the price moved up and it sustained above this level and it is start forming any kind of correction, then we have a very good probability that it can reach up to the double top structure, it can reach up to the edge of the pattern, which is this, and then from that level we can go for the sell. So it is very important that we have to work with the market condition and how it is behaving. Okay, and the one thing which will help you to sustain to consistent in EURJPY if you want to trade, it is the confirmation. Okay, if you will get a confirmation for the sell, okay, if the price rejected from this level, because this is a high value area. Okay, so if the price will reject it from this level, suppose the price moved up, it was rejected again back to the structure, then form any correction, then move down. So we will have to wait for the confirmation. This level is very important. Okay, this is the level from where we have to be patience, very patience required in this level. So this is very important level, which is very important to retest. Okay, there's a higher possibility. I'm expecting that it will retest. If it will reject it from these levels, then we'll look for the sell. Okay, if the price will continue shoot up to the upside, form any kind of continuation patterns and break the continuation pattern, then we'll have expect that the price will move up, and then we'll have a good opportunity to sell from this level. So this is what the complete analysis of EURJPY. I hope you understand this, and yes, this is what I have to discuss. Thank you. Okay, and